Welcome to the Redlink platform. I will now showcase the Redlink Dashboard. You can register using your email address and then use the password that we will send you via email, or you can use your social network login. I'm going to sign up using Google. After login, you can access the dashboard. The dashboard is structured in different sections. From the bottom up, the marketplace, the datasets, the analysis, the applications, and the dashboard. The marketplace lists all the components available in the dashboard. Components are categorized in input, language, dataset, post-processing, and output. Datasets are actual datasets like DBpedia, Freebase, or your own custom datasets that can be used for analyze the content. The dataset section lists all the datasets I configure in my own account. For example, I created a dataset that I called Charging Station, where I store information about charging stations in Italy. Each dataset can be released and published. Releasing a dataset makes it available for further analysis. That means that all the information I've stored in this dataset is available for discovery when I run analysis using the Redlink APIs. I can release the dataset for myself or for the public to use. Publication means that I release the dataset to the public and it can be accessed using HTTP. I can open the dataset HTML page and see the triples in an HTML way, or I can also access them in JSON, LD, or RDF. The analyses are useful when I want to post content for analysis. An analysis uses the different components available from the marketplace. For example, inputs, in this case I chose plain text. Languages, I can choose the basic language pack or the expert language pack. Then I can choose datasets that will be used for discovering entities, post-processing engines, and outputs. Application provides me with an API key that I can use to access the analysis and the datasets. The API key is unique to my own application and I can regenerate if I want.